This doubleheader. 15 prep now, 15 varsity in a couple of hours. That went off the side netting. Hilliard looked very comfortable. Got Lefebvre in front. Hilliard watches it go by. Loic LaBelle, who else? Now they're forced to go backwards. Trying to attack is Morey, and Hilliard has to come up with that stop. PWC. So those are the only, this one and that one, the only two games in the 15 preps. Off Hilliard's left arm. In the lead, but he'll surrender the puck. Possible 2-on-1 for CIHA. Loic LaBelle across. Excuse me, that was Dingwall to Mathea. Could maintain a possession for Pattison to the wing. Short side by himself. Score! Eric Sexton at Max Bell or at Seven Chiefs, and we hope you will join us. And I'm sure these players would love to, but now you see everything to the left winger and Sexton on the right. They'll go to the middle this time. And Bennett Pattison, they've got to be able to skate quickly to take their position back to where it was. Ripped around by Board. Ball was in fourth. Kai got 2 late assists to help in the victory. Wrist shot into the glove. Just like yesterday. Bort crazing treble, but now it's the other side. Kai Dingwall makes a couple of moves and scores. Few from AAA midget. LaBelle waited for a lane, ran out of racetrack to make capture the faceoff. Little back and forth, Pattison and Sexton. Eric taking his position as you may have expected. And AX knew what to expect. They'll go short side instead. And a big stop. He's going to start a pass sequence. Short side, good. Second try. They jam away. Another chance. Everybody down and flat. These two schools will hook it up at about 2 p.m. Right winger again. This time it's Matheos. He'll miss. Dingwall in the middle. The diamond formation for NAX. Again, short side, but fast from Akubo. Chasing it down is LaBelle. He's there. That was Lefebvre that time. And Dingwall pushes it ahead. Him and LaBelle down low. Up high for a snapshot. Partial screen to take it away, but Calgary's controlled possession. And score! A very short angle. 5-1 the first time they played each other, these two teams. And then wallop Calgary 7-2 the next day to get the revenge. And then had the ultimate all day long. A little back and forth with St. Louis. A wrist shot to taking off their uniforms until January. Time and space, Nicolat worked his way through. Akubo found an opening. Centering pass does not connect. 3:50. Nicolat likes to attack off that right wing. And for NAX. LaBelle from behind the net in front. Tapped in by Akubo right in on a prep team at the U15 level. Batting it down, Hilliard had to come up with a big save. Nick bench. NAX trying to tie this one up. Stretch pass will connect. 2-on-1. Hilliard there, rebound. Colabo had to deal with. 4.5 gone in the third period. It's a 1-goal differential here at the Jones Snyder Arena at Winsport in Calgary. That can be the advantage when you have a Penalty that crosses over into an intermission. But Light and Otto couldn't hang on to it. Another chance. Rister in! Hansel Kim! Inside. Dingwall at the offensive position. Parallel with a quick shot. These guys love to go parallel literally on top of the ringette line. It's there. Deflected, wouldn't have gone in, but Hilliard wanted to confirm division. This is basically 8 Circle Ks happening at once. Rister there, Hilliard. Cross ice, time and space. Score! Jace